It's quite annoying and stressful when you try making puff puff and it comes like a cara. Let me show you how to make the best Nigerian puff puff. To your bowl, you want to add in some flour, then add in some sugar. Full measurements and ingredients will be in the caption below. Do well to check it out. I added milk flavor. Don't add it if you are lactose intolerant. Then for the yeast, add in enough yeast. I will leave the measurements in the description as well. Then you want to add in some water, bit by bit. Then you want to start mixing it very well. You want to mix it very long period of time so that the back is really stretchy. Then you want to transfer this into a bigger bowl. Allow this to proof for the next 45 to 1 hour in a moderately warm environment. Then after 45 minutes, don't check on this and can see it has proofed already. Then you want to mix everything well to combine for 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Then you want to start frying in deep oil. You want to mold this out between your index finger and your thumb, gently like this, as you can see. Then you want to begin flipping it once it picks up and comes up. Then you want to fry it till it is golden brown. Now you can see how it is looking. You want to fry it to your preferred brownness and take it out. Then you can now pair this with whatever you want to pair it with. I think chilled coke goes well with this. That's what I feel like. So follow for more and full recipe on my YouTube channel as cookingchi_recipe. Now go to the market and buy those ingredients to perfect your puff puff making skill.